Hello students, let us start question number 8 of exercise 12.2 chapter 12. Here, a horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meter. Means there is a square with side 15 meter. And a horse is tied here in one corner of field. So ABCD is a square, therefore its each angle is of 90 degree. And by means of a rope of 5 meter long, meaning जो horse को tie किया है, rope of its length is 5 meter. Find the area of that part of field which the horse can graze. Now इस टाइप के इस क्वेश्चन में जब एक हॉर्स को एक कॉर्नर पर टाई किया, यू हैव टू टेल कि जो हॉर्स है वो इस स्क्वायर फील्ड के कितने पार्ट में ग्रेजिंग कर सकता है. तो इन दिस सिचुएशन व्हेन द हॉर्स मूव्स विद इट्स टाइट रोप इट विल फॉर्म a sector here. Now the sector angle is of 90 degree. So this part will be a quadrant. So length of rope according to given condition will be the radius of sector grazed by horse. So therefore we can write radius will be 5 meter and central angle, that is theta, is of 90 degree. So therefore area grazed by horse will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 and value of pi is 3.14. Radius is 5 into 5. Now we have to solve it. And we will get 19.625 centimeter square. So this is the area grazed by the horse. Now in second condition, the rope of length is changed. Now, length of rope is 10 meter. So it means now horse can graze more area. Therefore, area grazed by horse will be again 90 upon 360 into pi multiplied by r square. Now r is 10. So it will be 78.5 meter square. Sorry, here unit is in meter. So the area will be in meter square. And now you are asked how much more area horse can graze in second case. So it means we have to find the difference of the both of the areas. And it will be 58.875 meter square when we subtract the area in part 2 and in part 1. This is an important question, students. You have to do it very carefully. Also practice similar questions of this type. Question number 9. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. Here the diameter of this circle is 35 millimeters. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Find the total length of the silver wire required. Here we have to find the length of the wire. So you can see the wire is used to make this complete circle. So it means length of wire will be circumference plus, and now these five diameters are also drawn with the help of this silver wire. So 5 multiplied by diameter, and we will get 2 into 22 upon 7 into 35 plus 5 into 35, and the length of wire will be 100 and plus 2 pi r. Sorry, this is diameter, so we have to divide it by 2 also. It will be 285 millimeter. So length of wire is 285 millimeter. Now the area of each sector of the broach. We have to find the area of each sector. Here the complete circle is divided into 10 equal sectors. So angle for each sector will be, now 360 complete angle is divided into 10 equal parts. So central angle for each sector will be 36 degree. So therefore area of each sector is given by theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now theta is 36, 22 upon 7 into 35 into 35 by 2 by 2, because 35 mm is diameter. So area will be 385 by 4 millimeter square. Now we can convert it into decimal. Area for each sector will be 96.25 millimeter square. Next question number 10. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Umbrella, it is assumed that umbrella is a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter. So radius is 45 and there are 8 ribs. Umbrella में जो wire है, they are called ribs. Find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Two consecutive means like this. These two are consecutive ribs. We have to find this one area. For this we must know radius and central angle. So total ribs are 8. Therefore sector angle will be 360 divided by 8. It will be 45 degree. And now area between two consecutive ribs is equal to area of sector, and it will be theta upon 360 into pi r square. 45 upon 360 into value for pi is not given, so we will take 22 by 7, and r square 45 into 45. So we can solve it. Now we can multiply it and we will get the area as 22,275 by 28 centimeter square. Now we can find it in decimals. Question number 11. A car has two wipers which do not overlap. You already know that two wipers of a car never overlap. Each wiper has a blade length. Length of blade is 25 centimeter. Swiping through an angle theta is given to you 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each swipe of the blade. So here we have to find the area of sector. Theta upon 360 into pi r square. Now theta is 115 upon 360 and pi again 22 by 7 into 25 into 25. We have to find the total area swept. So it means we will multiply the area of sector by 2. Now we can solve it. So now we have to multiply it and we will get 1,58,125 by 126 centimeter square. Now you will convert it into decimals. Question number 12. To warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree. Meaning sector angle is 80 degree to a distance of. Now this distance will act as a radius in this question. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are bound. क्या है कि एक लाइट हाउस से शिप्स को वार्न करने के लिए लाइट को स्प्रेड किया जा रहा है एंड द एंगल टू विच दिस लाइट कैन मूव इज ऑफ 80 डिग्री. तो ये 80 डिग्री का एंगल है एंड नाउ इट विल फॉर्म अ सेक्टर एंड आपको बताना है कि ये कितने एरिया को वार्न कर रही. तो इट मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ अ सेक्टर. सो एरिया वार्न is equal to area of sector and that is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. So theta is 80 upon 360. Pi is again given here 3.14 and r square 16.5 into 16.5. So we have to solve it. Now it will be 189.97 kilometer square. Question number 13. Again there is a table cover and the design is made on its corners or you can side along its edges a design is made like this. So design is made in a segment. So it means to find the area of design we have to find the area of 6 segments. Or you can say if we subtract the area of hexagon from the area of circle we will get the area of design. Now to find the area of hexagon we have to remember that a hexagon can be splitted into 6 equilateral triangles. तो सेम थिंग इज देयर, चाहे आप 6 ट्रायंगल्स के एरिया को फाइंड करो मीनिंग हेक्सागन के एरिया को सर्कल में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करो, और डायरेक्टली यू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ 6 सेगमेंट्स. बट बिफोर दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड द सेंट्रल एंगल. रेडियस इज 28 centimeter. So central angle will be for each sector or yeah for each segment is equal to 360 upon 6, 60 degree. So therefore area of design is equal to area of 6 segments. Now it will be theta upon 360 into pi r square minus r square by 2 sin theta. So we can put the value 60 upon 360 into pi is not given, so we will take it as 22 by 7 into 28 into 28 minus 28 into 28 by 2 and sin theta, theta is 60, so it will be under root 3 by 2. Now we have to solve it. (44 into 28 by 3 minus 196 root 3. Now we will put the value of root 3 because root 3 is given here. Into root 3 is 1.7. So we can write it as 17 by 10. Now we will take the LCM of both of the sides and we will solve it. Now it can be written as 410.66 minus 333.2. When we subtract these two values, we will get the area of the design. That will be 77.46 centimeter square. And because 6 segments are there, so we have to multiply it by 6. So therefore area of design 77.46 multiplied by 6 and it will be 464.76 centimeter square. Now we have to find the cost of making the design. So therefore cost of making the design will be area multiplied by the cost per centimeter square and that is 0.35, and when we solve it we will get rupees 162.66. So this is the cost of making the design. Question number 14. We have to tick the correct answer. Area of sector of angle theta of a circle with radius r. Area of sector find करना है and we know that area of sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. But in given options no such option is there. So what we have to do here, the option number D. After solving this option, we will get the desired value. So D is the correct option here. So this was your exercise 12.2. Thank you.